Raymond Bacatchi.
Ay?
Pwede. Palagi siya may backpack, lahat ng gamit na yun. Lahat. Tubig, pagkain. So, feeling ko pag kasama ko siya, kompleto. Tsaka good vibes lang siya eh. Ikaw?
Gusto ko makasama. Sa cast lang or?
Kahit sino.
Raymond Bacatchi.
Siguro si yung papa ko. Yeah, yung papa ko. Lahat na natutunan ko sa buhay, sa kanya ko natutunan. So I'm sure, matutulungan niya din ako doon.
Dito din ba siya nakadala sa Pangasinan?
Sa Cebu. Sa Cebu siya nakadala. Pero wala siya sa Cebu ngayon.
Kamusta naman siya?
Yun nga eh. Buti na lang po sa amin, hindi po masyadong apektado po yung bahay namin. Pero sa area, grabe. Grabe po yung nangyayari sa Cebu. Nakakalungkot po talaga. My prayers go out to everyone in Cebu. Pero at least, ang pinakamasasabi ko lang, namulat na yung mga mata natin sa mga nangyayari sa bansa natin for the past how many years. And I think it's about time we finally choose the right people. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin.
Kayo ba like, kasi parang brother team, may fear ba na ma-miss, malagyan ng BL ang yung chemistry?
Ano ba yung gusto mo?
Ikaw kasi nagsusunod.
Hindi, pero di ba? Kasi minsan kahit wala, it's not the intent, pero fans sometimes interpret it.
Hindi mo iwasan naman yun.
Nagbibiroan nga kami, pag magte-take kami, sabihin ko, direct, take tayo ng isang version na BL naman. Kasi,
pagkatapos magkagalit,
pagkatapos magkagalit, ganun yung itsura namin. Kasi alam ko na mag-edit yung mga tao. Okay lang yun. Diba? I mean, everyone can watch something and it's up to their own interpretation, I guess.
Part na rin yun.
You know, we're just doing what we can, doing our jobs, and whoever likes the type of content that we put out, yun na yun. Yun na yun.
It's up to your interpretation.
It's up to Chickanes now.
Nasa sa'yo, yeah.
And last na lang question for me. Has it occurred from your end na kayo na yung parang next na Coco Martin? Kayo yung next Lolo Pascual? Na may ganoon bang feeling nyo na may sense of responsibility na rin to take care of the industry that you are in?
I don't think we're the next that. I think we're our own path. Kasi sobrang respectable yung mga taong yun, and they've gone through so much and been through so much. And we can only dream of having, that also type of career and stuff. Pero I think the thing we relate with there is, of course, the responsibility. Because when we're given this amount of trust, we really have to make sure that we really cherish that and we don't take it for granted. And that's something me and Kyler are very firm about. Kung nasa trabaho kami, magtatrabaho talaga. We will really give everything we can give. Kasi alam namin na, lalo na ngayon, hindi naman napupulot yung pera, diba? I mean, every time that you invest in something, it takes a whole village to be a part of that. And we're not the only ones part of this. There are people behind the scenes. There are camera crew, there are producers, directors, and of course a whole audience waiting to watch the show. So the responsibility is there for sure, especially when working. And what I love about our partnership is kung kailangan namin maging professional, yun yung gagawin namin.
Yeah, tulad na sinabi niya, I wouldn't say we're the next Piolo, next Coco, kasi they are one of one talaga sila. There's a reason why they are who they are. Pero I would like to say that we are aware na this is a once-in-a-lifetime kind of project talaga. And for ABS to have this kind of trust in us, for them to top bill both of us for a teleserye, especially, to be honest, this early in our careers is such a privilege, such a blessing talaga. And it's not something we take lightly. We know na kailangan po talaga namin gawin 110%. We are giving our best. Of course, we pray every day na sana magustuhan, sana makuha din ng tao yung gusto namin iparamdam sa kanila. And what we always say is, let God. We hope that at the end of the day, we can only do our best. But lagi kami nagpre-pray.
So, kailan na namin makapanood ng Rock?
Siyempre, mapapanood mo na yan. November 21 sa Netflix.
Yes, November 22 naman po sa iWant, and November 24
sa A to Z, TV5,
Kapamilya Online,
Kapamilya Channel. 8:45 p.m.
8:45 po yan.
After
Pagkatapos-
Batang Quiapo. Boom! Tama?
Obviously, hindi na rehearse.
Thank you.